Breakfast. Breakfast. Breakfast.
Hi guys, welcome back to Cooking with Mommy. Today we are going to make leftover breakfast bites. We had a big dinner last night and ended up with some chicken breast and mashed potato leftover. This morning we are going to add a couple more ingredients and transform them into some healthy breakfast bites. These are some of the ingredients. For our first step, we are going to grease our muffin tins with some cooking oil. Next, we are going to place our cube bread into the bottom of the muffin tins. This will be the base of our breakfast bites. For our next step, we are going to layer our muffin tin with some leftover mashed potatoes, followed with our leftover chicken breast, and top with fresh tomatoes and green onion. Next, let's get our scrambler and beat our eggs. For a lower calorie option, you can also opt out of the egg yolk and only use the egg white. Season your egg with some salt and pepper. Now, using a ladle or a large spoon, pour the egg mixture into each muffin tin. For our last step before the oven, we are going to sprinkle some shredded cheese on top of our breakfast bites. Now it's time to pop them into the oven. And our leftover breakfast bites are ready! Time for the taste test! Looks like our picky eater approves. Yay!
It's yummy. I will love it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Subscribe. Thank you.